So in the midst of the wave of controversy, almost engulfing local football officials, with the attention turning squarely on the referees, the Maverick again comes to the defense of local referees. I said it already and I'm going to say it again. All things considered, the standard of our football officiating is not any worse than the big international football referees in Europe. I'll put it even further. Our referees in Jamaica, pound for pound, make less blatant mistakes and less bad calls week in, week out than the referees I see in the EPL and the La Liga and the German Bundesliga. And regardless of what people are saying, I want to give credit to this new group of young local referees, male and female, who have come through in recent years. They still made the odd mistake here and there. And a whole heap of Jamaican fans curse referees daily. As them team lose, the easiest target is the referee. Jamaicans in general seem to equate good officiating with the amount of yellow cards and red cards issued and how much players the referee run off of the field, as if disciplining and punishing players are more important than maintaining the spectacle of the football and the game itself. Good referees are supposed to be anonymous facilitators, not the stars and the headliners of the game. And I have noticed the very positive trend recently, with more local referees allowing the players to play the football and to decide the game. That, to me, is the essence of good officiating. Trust me, Jamaican referees and their officiating are far from the worst problems facing Jamaican football right now. Just ask Mr. Michael Ricketts. What do you mean? Who named Michael Ricketts? You don't know who named Michael Ricketts? You don't know Michael Ricketts? That is the problem right there. Not the referee. You don't know who named Michael Ricketts?